How's it going? Hope you're all doing well. I want to briefly discuss the differences between a contested and an uncontested divorce in Texas. Um, this is not official terminology in the sense that you file for either a contested or an uncontested divorce. The filing process is the same. What can differ is how complex the case is, the issues involved, and whether, of course, the spouses agree on all those issues. If the parties do agree on every single aspect of their divorce, it's uncontested. This means that a petition is filed by either spouse and that the other spouse is properly served. Many times in an uncontested case, the other spouse will file a waiver of service, and an attorney representing the other spouse will draft a final decree of divorce, which encompasses the agreement of the spouses. At that point, it's simply a matter of waiting the required 60 days before the case can be finalized. Now, if there's any disagreement on any issue, which I'd say is true in the vast majority of cases where attorneys are involved, then you've got a regular contested divorce. There's many things that parties can fight over, including the division of marital property and, of course, custody of children. A divorce involving children requires sorting out of custody, child support, health insurance, and other rights and duties regarding the children. Custody cases can be expensive and take longer to resolve. Other cases, the primary focus is on property, the division of property. Texas is a community property state, and the presumption, with very few exceptions, is that all property, assets, and debts acquired during the marriage is subject to division upon divorce. Generally speaking, the longer the marriage, the more community property that was acquired and must be divided. This can include houses, cars, bank accounts, investments, retirement accounts. Now, the spouses can resolve their case through the work of their attorneys, through mediation, or, of course, by having a trial and presenting the issues to a judge to make a final decision. Of course, just because a case starts out as uncontested doesn't mean it can't become contested down the road, and we see that quite a bit. Every case is different facts, different circumstances. These are just some broad strokes about the differences between contested and uncontested. Hope it helps. Thanks.